Hi everyone, this is Mr. Kachinga. So in this video, if you are a student, you are at college or university, this video is very important for you. This is addition mathematics. So, given that the coefficient of x power 3 in the expansion of, open the bracket, 2 minus kx, you close the bracket, open again, x minus 1, you close, to the power 9 is 348. Find the value of k. So we want to find the value of k. So our target is to get the coefficients of x power 3. So how can we get the coefficients of x power 3? We can use what we call the binomial coefficients. So for example, this x minus 1 to the power 9, we can start with 9. So 9 combined 0, then we get again 9 combined 1, then 9 combined 3, then 9 combined 4, then we get 9 combined 5, then 9 combined 6, 9 combined 7, 9 combined 8, then 9 combined 9. Okay, now these are coefficients for the power of 9. Now out of these coefficients, the method I've used is called the inspection method or trial and error. Out of these coefficients, which one can give us a power of x power 3? So to do that, we can just target any number here that we are going to subtract. Either can give us 2 or what, or 3. Since here there is x power 3, so we target 2 or 3 here, 2 or 3. So let's try. So I know 9 minus 0, it won't give you that. Okay, so let's try 9 minus 6. So 9 take away 6, 9 take away 6 there, it will give you 3. Then 9 take away 7, it will give you 2. So which means the coefficients that we use, they are here. 9 combined 6 and 9 combined 7. So you don't have to expand everything then to check for the coefficients that will give you x power 3. No. Just use this method known as inspection method or trial and error. Now, after identifying the coefficients, you are going to use 9 combined 6 and 9 combined 7 to expand x minus 1. So what you do there, you say 2 minus k x, you see that? Then from there, you get the coefficient, which is 9 combined 6. So you get 9 combined 6, you do that, close the bracket, get the term which is here, which is x. So this is x. What is now 9 take away 6? 9 take away 6 is a 3. Then multiplied by negative 1, the second term which is in the bracket. Then here 6 will repeat itself, so that when you add 6 plus 3, you should get 9. So the powers in binomial, they are always adding up. When you if here there is a power of 9, when you add the power of x and the power of negative 1, always should give you the power of 9. Is how the binomial works. So I'm going to lab this part of the board so that you follow properly. Okay, so I've just erased the part of the board. Then we continue solving. We add with another coefficient, which is 9 combined 7, the one which we had picked, then x. Then we say 9 take away 7, we get a 2 multiplied by negative 1 to the power 7. So that 7 plus 2 get 9. Okay, so this expansion, it means it will continue because it has to end to the power of 9. So we just put the dots to show that the expansion is still going on. Now, when we reach this stage, what you do is that 2 minus kx will maintain its position. Then 9 combined 6. So this part, for 9 combined 6, you use a calculator. So I'm going to show you. So we have 9, this is 9, combined is here, NPR here, 9. So this symbol is for combined, then you put a 6, you get 84. So I'll open the bracket, so there I'll get 84. Then what is x to the power 3? X to the power 3 is x power 3. Then what is negative 1 to the power 6? Is simply a 1. So for the sake of others, we just say open the bracket, negative 1 to the power 6, and you get a 1. You see that? Now, that 1 times 8, that one you get times 84x power 3, it will just be 84x power 3, so I'm not going to show it. Then from here, I have this symbol, so we want to work with the sign. I have this positive sign. So this positive sign, I know that negative 1 to the power 7 will give me a what? A negative. So for example, there I put a 7. This is negative 1 to the power 7. I'll get negative 1. You see that? So I just want to work with the signs. This positive times the negative which is there will give me a what? A negative there. After that, now I say 9 combined 7. So we go on the calculator, you say 9 combined 7 and you get 36. So find 36. X to the power 2 to give me x power of 2. This is negative symbol. Okay, put it nice for you. Okay, now when you reach this stage, the idea is to get the powers with x power 3. Since they're saying the coefficient of x power 3, we are not going to multiply normally. I know these brackets here, they mean that we are multiplying, but for us to multiply normally, we'll go like 2 times 84x power 3, again 2 times negative 36x power 2, then after that we start with negative kx times this, times 84, then again times negative 3, negative 36. But we are not going to multiply normally. Why? Because we just want the product that will give us x to the power 3 is what we want. The product that will give us x to the power of 3. That's all. So as you can see, this 2, when you multiply it with 84x power 3, it will be able to give us that. So 2 times 84x power 3 will give us 168x to the power 3. You see that? Again, this negative times negative, you get what? The positive. Then what is this? Kx times 36x power 2. So this x and this x will give me what? X power 3. You see that? Then this 36 times k, I will get 36k. Then this x and the x is x power 3. This x power 2 times x is x power 3. Now everything we are going to equate to what you have been told in the question, that the coefficient of x power 3 in the expansion of this term is 348. So we equate to 348 including its variable, which is x to the power 3. Now from there, we don't want to see x power 3 because the question says find the value of what? Of k. So the question says we should find the value of k, not the value of x. So this side I'll divide with x power 3 and here x power 3. Also this side the x power 3. So this x and x will go. What will remain is 168 plus this x and that will go. What will remain is 36k equals this and that will go. What will remain is 348. Okay, so when we reach this stage, this is a simple equation. So we just have to solve for the value of k. So I'm going to love the upper part so that we can finish solving our question. Okay, so what I have done, I've labbed this part. Now we have 168 plus 36k equals to 348. So we want to find the value of k. So 36 will remain where it is. Also 348 will remain where it is. Now this 168 will go to the other side, it will become negative 168. So we have 36k equals 348 minus 168. It will give us 180. To completely find the value of k, we divide both sides with 36. And also this side with 36. We cancel. So therefore k is equals 36 into 180. So we just say 180. 180 we divide with 36, we get a 5. So there you see a 5. So that is the answer. So thank you for watching this video.